In this video I'm gonna try to show you how to take macro photos on a Nothing Phone 3a, and unfortunately there is no dedicated mode that allows us to take macro photos, and even the usual steps that we can take on a photo without the macro photo in order to take the macro photo are not working that well, because usually we can keep a little bit of distance between the object that we want to capture and the camera. If you try to keep it too close, then usually there is this blur, there is no focus, etc. So it is actually even more difficult on this phone, because even if we keep greater distance and if you try to zoom in, then the focus is still quite messy, as you can see over here. And we can try to get the focus, but as you can see, it doesn't work that well. You need to really keep a distance. But unfortunately, you need to use lots of zoom in order to capture that macro object. And of course, this decreases the quality, because the more zoom we use, the worse the quality of photo is. And the Pro mode doesn't help, or the Expert mode doesn't help as well. It's just tough to take macro photos, unfortunately, on this phone. While it is not really impossible, it is just difficult to do so. So you may try to keep the distance between the object and the phone and try to use a zoom in order to try to capture the small object, and maybe this will work for you. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!